Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could've been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down low, I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you walls. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no. See, it's hard to be polite, it's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining, yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate.
Stop all the hate right now.
Yeah. Let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say, sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. And not deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, baby, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, get me back to you.
G. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Where are you going walking, Joe?
Go. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold. Bang roll, on the go. Ice wall, hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in. Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard you scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You want me to see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, I don't nosebleed. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me
What's going on? How's everyone doing today? Let's see. All right. All right, so we're gonna take a look at gold. So looking at gold here on the daily, we've got daily resistance here, got another resistance here, resistance here, previous daily candle low. So that's our previous daily candle low. And we don't need to use the high. The high has been taken out. And we got this support here. Daily support. We're just gonna use that. 4 hour. Going to add this supply here. 4 hour supply. And we'll leave the rest. 1 hour. So 1 hour, we've got this demand here. $30-minute. Got this demand here, 30-minute. We got that high. Look at this on the 15. So 15, we got this resistance, and we got this minor support here. All right. Looking at gold, I am definitely bullish, but we need to wait until 25.97 has been taken out. Got a 30-minute demand here. Okay, so we still give me a second here. So gold, of course, higher time frame, we are still bullish overall. However, the lower time frame still has a bearish structure, but we have a bullish momentum. So we have to ride this bullish momentum until we get any type of momentum shift. Okay, so now we just gotta wait until we get a break, pretty much a closure above 25.97, and then of course we can start looking for buys. NY session opens in 12 minutes, pretty much.
All of my bros, they been my bros, I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, now I got eyes full of kids.
Let's go in.
paper legit. All of my office legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but no never trip.
Good morning, Kobe. Good morning, DS. Good morning, Sue.
Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3 I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. Said don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brother's out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road. Counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone.
So let's have our bias up here.
But nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play on my kids, I see new loafers, I'm ordering. I just want socks.
Let's see what this is going to be if I have it. Yeah. No.
Headed the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner place. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my bacon, my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watch it demonstrate. I ain't no splash, I'm a tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't come to play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See this rap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records, some records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me.
Morning, Gideon.
Never underestimate G.O.D. Don't give me what I want, but what I need. D.D. that's me. D.D. that's me. D.D. that's me. D.D. that's me.
I saw you took a loss during London. Unfortunate, man. I also took a loss during London. But I managed to get the win back.
We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sad. You wish that you can do better. No, no, I won't let up. We go forever and ever.
That's what I'm talking about.
You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born in a crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running.
They're already asking about the fight.
I'm waiting
Oh,
in football.
yeah.
That's why I'm staying quiet. I don't want to interrupt.
No, I did not bet on the fight, DS. I don't really bet on fights. But I do want to give it a little bit more time before I talk shit to those fucking haters, because 99% of chat was like saying I was wrong, but that's okay. But there's a few people, man. There's a few people talking shit about me. I want to give them some time to get on here so I can let them know how much of a fucking loser they are.
I'm so excited. Only reason I'm here.
What's my comment on the fight? Well, it was scripted. You got to a point, both of them, they were just freaking bouncing around, like they were not throwing punches. Jake was holding back. Mike was holding back. Jake could have knocked out Tyson, and Tyson could have done the same. That's my opinion. Or my comment.
Spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no shit.
200 lot. You out to second. I don't even know what you're trying to say.
Need the money counting for the money, eh? No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even.
But let's be realistic, guys. I don't think the fight was scripted, but I do think early on, like after the Jake Paul guy pretty much knew he was gonna win, it's like he probably didn't want to knock Tyson out because he respects and cares about Tyson, because as much as people hate him and you all hate him, obviously he's dedicated to boxing. He trains fucking hard as hell. It's not easy. You can see the dude's jacked.
No, don't let us start that. No, he ain't.
No, he ain't what?
He's not a boxer.
Yeah, he's not a professional boxer, but I'm saying he loves boxing. And he trains hard as hell. That's why you can see it. He's jacked, you know. He's obviously got some skills. And anyone who can train and, you know, really dedicate themselves to anything, and, you know, you see it, you gotta respect it. And he's less than half the age of Tyson. Tyson's fucking 58 years old. That kid's 27 years old. He's less than half his age.
I would like to see him fight Floyd unscripted. It hasn't been too long since he retired, so, and he's pretty much still in his 40s. So
okay.
I would like to see him fight Mayweather unscripted. If he wins, then okay. Mayweather is even too much. I want to see him fight Ngannou.
Do you want him to die? Like, how much do you hate this guy?
I mean, Ngannou is not a boxer either, but he also trains.
Yeah, but he's a fucking world champion at MMA.
I mean, people are saying
he's
Jake
big
Paul
as
is
fuck.
a boxer. Once he fights any of those two people, then okay, he wins. Okay, he's gonna earn my respect as a boxer.
But anyways, I don't know why people hate him so much, because I'm pretty sure it's his brother who's the asshole who does like crypto scam and all this scam stuff. I'm not sure. I don't think he's actually doing scams. I'm not sure. Don't really know much about it, but I respect that guy. He's obviously athletic and, you know, trains hard. And people don't realize it. It's like, it's not easy to fucking train martial arts, man. You think it's fucking easy to get in there and know that the other person could fucking put your lights out? And just getting to that stage, most people can't even go through training. Most people give up. So, you know, people hate on him too much. And obviously, the dude loves boxing because he even bowed to Mike Tyson, like, you know. So when he's talking shit and all this stuff, he's just generating, you know, hype and views and money. He's just collecting that money. And like Abe said, he wants to see him fight Mayweather. Like, Think about it, guys. You all hate
Yeah.
him so much. You're like, I want to see him lose. I want to see him fight this guy. It's like me. I don't even care if I see him fight. It's like, oh, whatever.
Yeah, they're not on the same weight class, I know. But how many people has he fought that was not in the same class as him? They're not even using
Yep.
that to freaking schedule the fights. What's his name? That Tyson's Fury's brother, cousin. What's his name? I can't remember his name. I don't think he was heavyweight either. Tommy, yeah, Tommy. All right. New York is about to open in 30 seconds. See if we're gonna get a quick one and a quick win.
Yeah, and you guys gotta remember fucking biology. Fucking, that's king, man. You guys don't understand. It's like so many of you were blind to the age gap. It's like age is a factor, size is a factor, athleticism, is such a big thing. That's why there's weight classes because, hey, fucking size really matters. That's why people retire past the age of 40 because age really matters,
Yep, it does.
And man, to all those people who are still like, in disbelief and still want him to fight this guy, man, guys, just gotta accept the fact he's decent. Vivian said Jake Paul against Andrew Tate could be a good fight. I think Andrew Tate's actually a professional kickboxer, so he'd get fucked up. Andrew Tate would fuck that guy up.
Joe, I'm only gonna do one this month. That's why I'm only gonna do it once this month. That's why I didn't do it on Friday. Ryan Garcia wants to fight Jake Paul. Oh yeah, let him fight Ryan Garcia. I do admire what he's done though for the sport of boxing when it comes to like boxers making money.
Yeah, that's why I think he's actually a nice person because he's actually getting these people paid.
If you think about it, I mean, I may not like the guy, but I got to respect his commercial nous and
Not even that. What I'm talking about is in regards to boxing promoters. Like before, you gotta go without a boxing promoter. Like, man, you'll be lucky to even get a fight. Not to talk of getting those belt fights. But what he's done is showing new boxers that, man, you can actually, just like music, you can promote yourself till you freaking go viral. He's trying to do the same thing with boxing. And, I mean,
definitely
he did it. So can someone else follow in his footsteps? But at least it's showing them that it's possible.
But, Abe, think about that. That's such a great point, because think about how much money the undercard, so the actually the professional undercard boxers like the Katie, the girls, how much money they made because of that promotion.
Yeah, they made good money too. Yeah,
just by being on the undercard.
Yeah, those two girls. With a promoter, they would never have made that much.
And also, I recall when he fought
Mayweather.
I recall when he fought those. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, I was saying Floyd Mayweather did it, but of course he didn't tell people how he did it. But Jake is showing people how to do it. What are you trying to say?
Oh, when he fought the MMA fighters, like, I know that those MMA fighters talked about it where, like, he was, very respectful to them off camera, but on camera, he was super disrespectful. And they all know it was just business and they were getting paid more than they ever got paid in the UFC.
Yeah.
So,
Man, UFC, man, I don't know why anyone wants to freaking fight you, man, become a UFC fighter. They don't make money at all.
yeah, they don't make much and it's fucking brutal as hell.
Yeah, for the type of pain they go through, honestly, they should be getting paid more than freaking boxers do.
Yeah.
Because UFC, you're using your fist, you're using your head, you're using your elbow, you're using your knee, you're using your feet. Like, man, they should be getting paid way more than boxers do. But they're not making anything. I don't know why anyone wants to become a UFC fighter. If you love fighting, then go do boxing where you can make more money.
I don't think it's about the money. I think it's about the martial arts of it all. But I understand what you're saying.
If you want to do martial arts, then do martial arts. MMA is not really martial arts, in my opinion. Go do like judo or karate or taekwondo. Go do that if you want to do martial arts. Yep, and then way more people watch boxing too.
Yeah, it's interesting. And then there's someone brought it up on the Discord where there's the fight with Chimaev, MMA fighter, and he fought Robert Whittaker and broke his face. And it was horrific, the injury. Like, he might retire from that injury because it's horrendous. Never seen an injury so bad.
Oh, wow.
Like, the front four teeth, it connects down to your jawbone, right? The jawbone got snapped on both sides and got jammed into the back of his face, like an inch deep.
Wow.
So it's like, man, he might be eating through a straw for like 1 year, and then are you ever going to fight again? Because, man, you're going to be getting punched in the face. It might just break your jaw again.
That's crazy. Sure, MMA will continue to become big and the money will increase. Man, I don't think so. After all these years, maybe if they replace Dana, maybe.
Yeah, I don't like that guy. He doesn't want to pay those guys. Dana White, he doesn't want to pay those guys what they deserve.
Yeah. Like, it needs to be taken to court or something like that. Man. Conor McGregor will probably still be fighting if not for the fight he had against Floyd Mayweather.
Yes. He made so much money from that, and he's like, man, fuck it. But no, he came back to MMA. Yeah.
I think he fought like, was it once or twice?
Dustin. He fought twice against Dustin Poirier. He got knocked out and then broke his leg in the other fight.
And
he never should have came back.
Yeah, he never should have came back. Because he didn't even need the money.
Yeah. And he was already... Sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say, what I will say, these guys are so... You've got to be impressed with not only their physical athleticism, but their business now, so their business awareness. Like Conor McGregor, leveraged himself, you know, with one fight. I think he knocked out this guy in 2.5 seconds and became instantly viral, instantly famous, and leveraged it to make as much money as he possibly could. May not have been the best UFC fighter, but was able to grab an opportunity and ride a wave. Other athletes can't do it. You look at Ronda Rousey. She tried her best. She crossed over to, and it didn't work. So my hat goes off to the people that do it, that can do it, have those crossovers, and just make as much. Because it's a short career, man. It's such a short career these guys have.
Ronda should have went to boxing instead of wrestling.
Yeah, she fucked up. She fucked up.
No, she'd never do well in boxing. Her striking skills are not good.
No, I think she will. She would have. Because you know, wrestling is fake. Like, you have to listen to what they tell you to do.
Yeah,
it's scripted. Compared to boxing, it's not scripted. We fight, it's either you win or I win. Nobody's gonna say, "Oh, look, she has to win." So it's not controlled. You pretty much control the outcome. That's why I said she would have done better if she went to boxing instead of wrestling.
Oh, okay. And also, Pi was like super right with Conor McGregor. Like, that guy, he's an excellent businessman because I remember he talked so much shit to Jose Aldo, fucked with his head so bad, made so much hype for it, and then he got Aldo to be super angry in the fight and knocked him out in the very first round because he just bull rushed in trying to knock McGregor out, and he just like baited him straight into it, and it's like, oh my lord. But then the thing is, you can see how much McGregor actually respected Aldo, because he'd say like, "Oh, he's such a great champion. I respect, I'm gonna give you a rematch and everything." But then after the fight, he said that after the fight that he'd give him a rematch. But then, like, a couple of days later, he's like, "Man, fuck that shit. Why would I give him a rematch? He might beat me, like all this shit." He probably thought it all over. It's like, fuck it, I already knocked him out. It's like, nah, fuck this shit. I'm gonna fucking fight a new guy, make more money, hype up more shit. And also, I think Ronda Rousey was just as famous as McGregor because she was like fucking in movies and shit. But then she gave up. Like, she got beat and she gave up. She's not a true fighter.
You gotta have the right attitude. You gotta have the right attitude.
Yeah.
Man,
McGregor gets beat and he comes back. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say NASA's doing something.
Wow.
Yeah, Henry. Katie Taylor and Amanda was, in fact, that was a very nice fight. It was freaking better than Tyson and Jake's fight. That should have been the main event. They should have switched roles.
Man, there's like 130 people on YouTube. Like, those haters must be in here by now. I just want to say, to those people who are like, "Man, this guy doesn't know shit. This guy's clearly not athletic. He doesn't know shit about fighting." Man, where are you at? Why you all gone silent? All I know is that for those people who need to talk shit, it's like, I know at the end of the day, I'm always going to be a winner and keep on winning. And the losers, they're going to keep talking shit and keep being losers, keep being wrong all the fucking time. And I'm going to fucking drink your tears, man. I'll fucking drink that shit up and just, oh, beautiful, beautiful tears.
Jesus. Wow. That was awesome.
Only Brock Lesnar
Hilarious.
is a beast of an athlete in WWE and UFC. Nope, not UFC. No one can compare. Maybe in WWE, but not UFC.
Actually, that Brock Lesnar guy, like he was quite the physical monster, but he
Yeah,
was
he
juiced to the
was.
gills.
He was. Even when he was at UFC, he was. Look at him. He got to WWE, tripled his money.
Man, much respect, DS. I know. I know you're backing me when I was talking back to those woke motherfuckers when Abe was still in the London stream.
Good
And you
times.
guys know, like back in the London stream when I was getting shit on by so many fucking people, like let's be real. You know those guys are fucking out there looking for someone to be like, buy or sell, sir, buy or sell, sir. Those fucking losers, they're nowhere, man.
You would like to see how wild looks with your own eyes?
It's weird.
Show them one time. Just switch on and switch off, on and off.
Man, I'll show them like later, maybe like when I'm properly like attired. I'm sitting here in a singlet and shit.
Well, I'm not probably tired. So this is morning. Who cares?
Let the mystery wall. It's like a book.
Man, some people already know what I look like.
Yeah, we all
Some people have seen.
we all at home. Like this is not a office job. Who get dressed to trade? Like what the hell? I don't know who get dressed just because they want to trade. You put on a suit and tie.
What you can't see is King's not wearing pants. Just don't stand up.
No, it's not that deep.
Oh, here we go. Here's a hater. It's like, King,
Here
I
he
like
is.
your channel, but this guy talks too much and his language sucks. You see, it's like, what are these guys? These guys, they'll always be losers. Like, they're never gonna succeed at anything in their life.
I was a boxer as well. Yes, I was. That was a while ago, though.
Don't you worry, Wall. Will appear more haters, but they need to pay the internet bill and then we'll be here.
Brock got busted by a Dutch guy and he went back to wrestling. Oh.
Oh. Yeah, he fought Alistair Overeem, also another super steroided guy. He fucking looks like straight up Hercules. But he was a kickboxing champion, and man, he fucked Brock up. See, Brinsley, your brain is so tiny that's like, if I say the F word, now you're so affected. But if I didn't say the F word, what difference would that make to you in your life? Would you like me to change my speech to suit your needs? Because I could say the same thing to you. Why don't you say the F word more to make me feel better? So you want people to change the way they act to suit your needs. You can't adapt.
You can change the F word with fund it, so you can go fund yourself.
John Jones.
That sounds good.
Overbook. Yeah, I agree. then he came in with the 12. What's up, Jake Wallace? There's no one else Jake Paul is gonna fight that's gonna make him that much. Not even Floyd. Maybe half of that. That Cowboy Stadium in Texas was packed. That thing was packed. I was surprised.
And you shouldn't be surprised. I think like fucking when Mayweather fought McGregor, it's like also crazy packed, and then it's like, man, all those like irrational fights, like not pro boxer versus pro boxer. It's like those gimmick fights, they fucking sell out like crazy.
But you know, those two, they're known all over the world. There are still some countries who'll be like, who's Jake Paul?
That's true.
But if you mention Tyson, you don't even have to explain.
I would say though that Netflix did a terrible job.
Horrible job.
It was crap. If something as big as that, Netflix, it was poor production from Netflix.
Yeah,
Really poor.
At first, I thought it was my internet.
Me too.
And then I went back and I played video and that was playing. I'm like, man, it's freaking Netflix. It was their first live stream though. So, of course they will be trying to incorporate, maybe they might even freaking add TV stations now. Or they might do something where they have their own show and it's like live stream or whatever. So
I think the next move will be Netflix will charge you more for not buffering problems when they're streaming. You need a higher payment.
Yeah, man, they jack up the prices and then they have ads now and stuff like. It's like, what the fuck's going on?
damn, Nas.
Oh,
The hell?
what's US30 doing?
It's dropping. So
Oh, we should have sold it.
yeah, it didn't pretty much
think it's
close
50%.
above this 50-minute supply. It didn't close above it. There's a 4-hour supply there, but it didn't even tap the 4-hour supply. So he rejected off the 5. I knew it must have been a 5-minute supply. Yeah, that's the one.
Why is 100 pips on German 40 $2,700? Could be your currency.
This was what I was saying. If you look at US30 now, we rejected this 5-minute supply here. After ignoring this minor high, this minor high, this minor high, and this minor high. So look at what it did. It ignored all that and rejected the first minor high that pretty much created this low. That was one of the things I was explaining during a longer session with gold and the reason why I marked this 4-hour supply. Because we are still bearish, and if we break and close above 25.97, which pretty much was the Asian session high, if we're gonna fall off from anywhere, it should be from this 4-hour supply, which also pretty much leads to this minor high here. So this is the minor high. The first minor high we created, pretty much the lower high we created when we were dropping. So right there should be the zone that we should reject from if we are going to reject anywhere once we break 25.97. So there could be quick sales from there for price to come down and then continue bullish. But in order for me to take it, if we get there, let's say we don't get buys, wait for that support to form, and then we look to take it below the support. Let me delete that. This 30-minute is fine. We're gonna close bearish. So we're gonna add this 30-minute supply here. And what a crazy move down.
Tried to go the fast route, marathon not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been a man.
Can you see anything around 2607 to 09 area? You're thinking about a sell set up around that 2607. Man, you do have this supply here and this supply here, but I don't see it holding. I do not see it holding.
Man, watch this candle now break the high of the previous candle and close above. Just faking out all the sellers.
It's been threatening to all day.
Yeah.
It's like nasty
There you
moves
go.
before NYSE. Yeah.
It would make sense to now just see a massive correction of all that election garbage that came.
Oh, you said you wonder if Brinsley left, the shit talker.
Yeah,
Hater.
yeah. I wonder if he's still there. I haven't had one in a while.
Man, that's the thing. Those people who fucking hate on me and then like now that you've been proven wrong and you don't own up to it and apologize and correct yourself, it's like you can't fucking grow as a person if you can't fucking accept your mistakes. And it's like those people, man, they're always gonna be losers.
You're welcome, Udugo. You're welcome.
Man, I'm not talking about you, Gideon. Man, the haters, they know who they are. They know who they are.
So if this candle closes bullish, that means we already have closure above this, about 25.97. However, I would like to see one more bullish candle closure or for this candle to close stronger than this. Because right now, this bottom wick is what? About 38 pips. And the body is what? I don't know how it's gonna close yet, but the body 25 pips. So I need this body to at least be bigger than this bottom wick. If it's not, then I would like to see one more bullish candle closure, pretty much the hourly candle. This hourly candle. Right now, this is not a good closure if we close like this, and we got less than a minute left. Right now, the bottom long wick is a good sign because we still rejected there. That's why if you go to the 5 minute, you'll see the rejection. You go to the 1 minute, you'll see the rejection, which is this support on the 1 minute. However, on the 15 minute though, we need a bigger body closure here. $30-minute looks nice. That's not a bad closure on the 30-minute. See this body, how big it is. This is 38 pips, and the bottom wick is just 21. So that's not a bad closure. This 15-minute candle though is trash. So we'll see how this looks. Yes, I will mark it. I'll mark it. I was just waiting for pretty much this candle to close, but we can go ahead and mark it now. Yeah, I didn't even tap it though. Futures probably tapped it. Just kissed it on futures. Just give it a kiss.
I missed it by a pip.
You did?
On the minis, yeah.
Oh, on the minis. Oh, I'm looking at. Oh, yeah, I'm looking at minis. You sure you missed?
Oh, is it Trade of 8?
Oh, yeah, you missed it. You missed it. Yeah, I'm anticipating the rejection from the 4-hour supply. But I would like it to pull back before it gets to that 4-hour supply though. It's gonna be crazy if it just keeps going. That's gonna be annoying. It has not really given a clean demand setup yet. Maybe we'll get a pullback once the 1 hour candle closes. So we must get it once this candle closes. When I say supply, do I mean order block? I don't know anything about order block. I trade supply and demand. That's why it says supply and it says demand.
I think that's like he's being like legit. That's probably like a legitimate, like an honest question. And
I know
supply and demands.
what
Oh, I was just gonna say supply and demand is like what it's always been. It's just that
yeah.
that ICT guy came in and he, marketed it as order block.
Yep, order block.
So,
Order block is for retailers. I mean, yeah, retail traders. A retail trader invented order block. Supply and demand has always been around in the world of finance. Not just even finance, in business in general.
business, yeah.
When you want to buy something, and what can I use as an example here? For example, if you're a real estate investor, you want to buy whatever you're trying to buy, maybe a house or a commercial property. You want to buy when the price is low, so you can buy that house or that commercial property at a lower price, a cheaper price pretty much. And now, as an real estate investor, if you want to sell it, you don't want to sell it when there's demand. You're going to lose money. You want to sell it where there's a shortage in demand and that's your supply. You sell it high. And then you make your bread. So supply and demand has been here. A good businessman uses supply and demand. So, order block was invented by a retail trader.
No, Abe. Sorry, Jeffsky says order block is actually from Timu.
I love that. Oh, that's so funny.
Oh my god. I'm dead.
Oh man.
You're in trouble, my guy. They're coming for you.
They're coming for you. There's ICT traders.
I didn't say that. I plead the fifth.
But yeah, what Abe explained about supply and demand, it's really good to know because you want to actually understand why you're trading this way. It's like, okay, I'm buying here at demand. It's like, why? It's like, well, when you think about it in logical terms, it's like, well, clearly demand is outstripping supply, so we keep going higher because people want gold. They want it. So they keep buying every time it gets cheap. So that's what we want to do as well. When it gets cheap, we want to buy it.
Oh, damn it. She's running now.
Man, it's what we want to see. This is what we want to see. It's just that once it closes, is it going to pull back? That's the issue. But we do want to see this.
NAS and US30 are pulling back, so hopefully they set up for New York.
I wonder if it's going up because Biden said that Ukraine can still use their missiles for a little bit until Trump takes them away.
Nice right now. The only way I'll look for buys is if we break 20, 56, 560, 2560. Because we'll have a BOS, pretty much we'll be breaking above the high that this low created, and then this will be a high, and this will be a higher low with a break of structure. Get that, look for pullback, and then we'll look to take the buys. But if we still stay below this, pretty much this will be a major resistance now, my major support, 15-minute range. So if this low breaks its own high that it created, what do you think is gonna happen? Man, that thing is buying. And yeah, we might continue to this daily high. So we get a pullback from that 4-hour supply though, but it's gonna continue bullish. But for now, I'll be looking for sales in NAS. US30 is way uglier than NAS. You can clearly see the bullish momentum on gold right now. Since he created this low on Friday, was a high, came down, created the low, and this low here, this move broke it. BOS, we broke this minor high here, we created a high here, breaking this resistance to the left, so we got a minor BOS there, created another support, and now we broke highs again. So we clearly have a bullish momentum here. That is why we're looking for buys. So we're not creating lower highs and lower lows right now. Lower highs and lower low structure is still there. However, what's the momentum? The momentum is bullish. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. And not only are we creating it, we are breaking highs. All right. We're gonna use the 30-minute demand, even the 1 hour once we close. But we'll see how the 1 hour candle closes. You're welcome, Harry. So 1 hour candle closes in 10 minutes. 15, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour on Forex, they all close in 10 minutes. It pushed up 140 plus.
Man, YouTube's so quiet now. I think I need to start selling tickets because I clearly bring the comments. I bring the drama.
They're all tired.
Bring the violence. What reminds me of that, that really good friend that you go out with for like a drink in a bar, and then he says something to offend like the biggest guy in the bar, and then you've got to get involved in the fight because Will's your friend, you've got to back him up, but he's getting punched because he offended someone, and then he gets you involved in some violence. But you've got his back because he's your friend.
What pair is this? This is gold. Oh, you guys can't
Is that
see
you?
the pair? Can't see the pair. Oh, let me go on YouTube.
Oh yeah, it's semi cut off.
Oh. Let me see. Now that I'm using a white background, let me see how this watermark is going to look. Oh damn! Yeah, I did the wrong thing. Do this. Yeah, this is better. Okay, this is better. You can see the pair now. You're welcome, Sniper FX. Yeah, we got 3 more minutes for 1 hour candle to close. So since we got 3 minutes, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back. Well, please take over for me. Oh, bye.
We definitely do expect it to come back. Super common for, like an obvious resistance level to get break and retest. It's more unlikely for it to just, do that. But I will say that, man, something happened over the weekend and gold turned very bullish. That Asian session opened straight vertical, tiny consolidation, straight vertical, pulled back, not even to, like this level, not even there, and it pushed up. So, man, maybe they're just that hungry for gold. But you never want a FOMO. Waiting for a good pullback. Yep. Edwin said, I think I read somewhere that Biden encouraged Ukraine to war using military stuff, US military stuff. Not sure if that's the trigger for this bullish move. I mean, it could be, right? But at the same time, also, I do recall, I think it was on Thursday, I was already mentioning how gold had like this massive POC where there's just so much trading happening, so much buying occurring that we could be getting that basing formation after that huge drop, and then, hey, breakout, pullback, continuation, because gold is bullish on the longer, bigger, higher time frames. And we do expect gold to eventually hit 3,000. And also, it's sold off like crazy since the election, so this could simply be like just a pullback for one more push down yet again later on. But regardless, it's buys. We're looking for buys.
I don't know.
Nicholas said a war took place and gold spiked up. Something about China last night. Well, regardless, we just followed the chart. Nice talk. Thanks.
So true. They just trade what you see. Just look at the chart. So I'm guilty of it. You get analysis paralysis. Just overthink it.
A lot of people will make the mistake of like either overanalyzing or not pulling the trigger when the time comes, and then, oh, the trade's gone.
That exact thing happened to me. I think the day of the election, all week I was saying Trump in, gold down, Trump in, gold down. Trump gets in, I didn't pull the trigger. What happens?
Nas wants to pull back. I'm gonna like to take sales from one of these two supply.
There is no view on GJ. We do not trade GJ.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Wow. If I got it, they got it. Family strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you.
Oh, what's my view on GJ? We didn't trade GJ.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad.
Well, hopefully good is not just gonna keep going. Look like both so we can see a change of currency as confirmation for possible sales. This one you're steady, not looking bullish though. Maybe we'll get a pullback. Maybe we'll start getting a pullback once this candle closes in 3 minutes. How's this? Why? Yeah. No. Was there a trade in London session? Yeah, on futures, but we didn't take nothing on Forex. How did last New York Friday sell work out? So on my personal, I got out at break even. However, on Alpha Capital and Axe Trader Up challenge that I'm doing, I stayed in and I lost. Should have got out at break even on all of them, but I didn't. Alright, good. It's time to start pulling back. Man, you're not just gonna keep going up.
Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire square. Got it in my passenger, I told her
It's looking like our trade might be indices.
but she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash, she walk. She look like a bad when she
Minutes for NYSE.
Yeah.
she look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
My live trading is on Zoom on YouTube. During New York session is on Zoom and YouTube. Asian session and London is not on YouTube. As soon as you FOMO, just watch gold reverse, of course.
You know it. The market, man.
Man, I'm looking
Got
at
eyes.
crude oil and futures. I was just looking, and man, oh man, that thing is rocketing like a freaking rocket. It's freaking taking off to the moon.
Oh, wow. Yeah, straight vertical. Damn. Man, I remember there's like a day where it either like went up or down by like 5%. It was fucking crazy.
Oh wow.
So 5% must be like probably like around 500 pips.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I see you lit? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. Feel cold, get warm.
Good was really acting stage on Friday. In fact, good is acting stage generally.
I mean, you have to imagine, it can't just sell off forever. The buyers have to step in at some point. Mhm. Edwin said gold's approaching 30 supply.
And
Might give needed pullback.
It can approach it all at once. I will only consider sales if we tap this 4-hour supply.
And gives a support to break.
Yeah.
take you way up where the jets go, but you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XY looks like it's in 1 hour consolidation waiting for NYSE open. Am I right at King?
This one was like it's like what? Oh, I don't look at the XY. I don't look at it dollar at all.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't
What's up with my 2.5K account? What 2.5K? Oh, you mean the 250K that I'm doing? If that's the one you're talking about, then I'm at 248. After the London session, I mean, that sales we took on Friday. Is a funded account worth to get if you don't have a lot of equity to trade with? If you believe you can do it, but you don't have, of course, huge capital, there's nothing wrong with getting a prop firm account and work your way up towards getting a, whatever capital you want. Because you don't want to get payouts and then just be spending it all. Because anything can happen to that prop firm account. I just getting a pullback. 5 more minutes till NYSE opens.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
King,
Yeah.
where it is now, would you consider that a demand, or because there's not
Nope.
really
Nope.
a nice gap? No.
Nope.
Okay.
Technically, it could freaking reject from there too, because it is there. But I want it to come down lower. Because it probably have, oh, they don't even have a clean 5-minute demand there. Oh wait, no. This is it actually. So you don't want to like take buys from here. You want it to come down lower. Fill the gap some more. Three more minutes. A minute. Why is this here? I keep deleting it. It keeps popping back up there. There's a 15-minute supply here which could hold. But I'd like to see it come to the 30, one of these 30-minute supplies. Maybe with NYSE open volume, it will get there. This is reacting to 4 hour. H1 demand will be perfect. Yeah. Even if it does it at this 15-minute.
Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. We're known for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we
Well, I see.
For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend.
Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know.
I don't like the fact that we have a support from here, and we also have a support from here. So this right here, 30-minute man. See how we react at these lows. Now, so the other hand, we do not have a valid, pretty much a valid 15-minute supply here. Means there was a chance we could bounce off this 30-minute demand, 15-minute demand, because I would like to sell this from up here, pretty much at that one of the supplies up there. So see how we react at this 15-minute demand. Tap that supply.
Yeah. I don't buy that one and that one.
Ah man, damn you gold.
All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out.
Man, crude oil is going insane right now.
Six figures was a gold, now it's 9 or a hearse, put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve, no time for the snakes, trying to put them in the dirt, that's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep it low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back. Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on her.
Just waiting to see how this candle is gonna close.
But they got more, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They want a lot of things. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God, won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate.
If this demand holds, I think we're gonna go up. We're gonna break this high. If this demand holds.
Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought.
So the setup right now, I like NAS better.
My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put
US30 also, I feel like it is going to go up, because I don't like the fact that we went up, came down, price created another support here, and we pushed up again. So I'm expecting US30 to go bullish and possibly reject a higher supply. But I don't like the setup on US30 right now. NAS I do like. Damn, gold does not want to pull back. We gotta wait for this candle to close. Yeah, man. We do reject. Don't know if we are going to reject. That holds. We might get it 1-to-1. Okay. Let's check that. All these. Because in the beginning of the stream, I also said that since we created this daily low, this high that we created here, right, could be just be trying to create a higher low, because we really didn't have nothing too crazy to the left except for this minor resistance here, and this move up actually broke above it. So this low that we currently created here, right, could just be a higher low of the bullish continuation, and then we push up from here. So if we do not close below this low, then I will take buys, but I need to wait for this candle to close. Hopefully it does not flip. Hopefully it closes bearish, because it's gonna have to close bearish for me to take buys. If it closes with a long wick, if it closes with a long bottom wick, I'm gonna have to have my entries at the highest at that point. And that means stop loss will be bigger. Will be at least 90 pips. And doesn't have a 1-to-1. But I am expecting that has to break if this did not close it, so we can still take it. Man, come on, man. Don't flee bullish. 5 minutes is trying to do it. Damn it. Yeah, I'm telling you, I saw this when I looked at crude oil. I saw this setup. I'm like, man, even if we were watching it, it was too late. Anyways, if we were still trading crude oil. Oh man. 5 more minutes.
making my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watching demonstrate. I am no splash, I'm a tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't gonna play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See this rap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records on records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me. Look back now, I'm worth like an Amazon. Never underestimate G.O.D. Don't give me what I want, but what I need. D.D. that's me. 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 D.D. that's.
How many 100 pips is in NAS? 100 pips for NAS, that's pretty much 1,000 points. It depends on your broker. Oh man, Go does not want to pull back, guys. So pretty much right now we're left with NAS or US30. But between NAS and US30, NAS looks better. We got 3 more minutes here. Two more minutes.
Stop loss will be 90 pips or 100.
We use 100. We use 100.
Spring. Double cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I been counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money bang here, I'm getting money back. Need a money counter for the money, eh? No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third.
What the hell? Oh.
SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Boss so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek on. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring. Double love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fees. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah. For the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep.
See if we're gonna reject here. If we're gonna pick this loss.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city.
Okay.
Come ride with me, yeah.
Alright. US30. US30 that I said I didn't like. Okay. But man, this stop loss is going to be big. Since we have this candle rejecting here, so ooh, man, of course,
150 standard on US30. Ketä meillä on Dragonfall? Vad telefonutbildning? Huh? Ja, då. Jag ska ta telefonen.
And this thing does not wanna. Oh, there we go. No, that's 232. And
Vamos a llamar la Ludus. Suyo.
Listen, you're my son.
Yeah. Stop shouting at me in foreign.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Because if US30 is going to push up, I'm not expecting it to pretty much break this candle. This is looking like it's going to fall. Still like that supply. think that's just going too far. But if it does, that's crazy how it didn't reject at the freaking better supply. With NYSE open, you would think they want to push it up a little bit more.
Tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
Well, please take a break for me. I'll be right back, guys.
Yep.
I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling good. Give my baby little more, just to spend it. I'm always on go, I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it. Yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave. Yeah.
US30 is a 150 pip stop loss.
I may take it like 10 times 10. I got wires coming in, some in euros, some in sec, some in dollars, some in yen. I've been trying to keep my zen, keep my cool, trying to keep the family fed. Get my food, They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. Did it, do it. I did it all, no gimmicks. I did it all, no fibbing. Now I got all these children, now I got all these clones. Now I got all you twinning, now I got all you thinking like all you in it. They tried to count me out, they tried to fill that doubt. They tried to ride my whip, they tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins, they tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in, they tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that nothing compares to me. Feeling blessed, I won't stress. Beat the odds, you know the rest. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account.
Ah, man. What I wanted to go do, I freaking forgot and did something else instead. Did water.
It's a sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. I don't frown a lot. Lately blessings coming down a lot. I see my fam, I can't be down and out. Since 17 they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. It comes to me, don't do no running round. No time for running round. I get upset when things don't go my way. I get upset, but I cannot complain. I save a bit to spend on rainy days. Diamonds for my bay, those type of things. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. Okay.
How did this get here? Oh, I must have had this on here earlier.
Be stagnant when the space thumping. Cushy through the hoop and I grabbed it and dunked it. My game comes to me, no, I'm not forcing nothing. I'm on go mode, please don't wait up. Me plus motion, that's a layup. Pick and roll, give and go. Take it, finish strong. Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides, I got my friends. I'm for
Hey Yaslin, how you doing?
All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Euro step to the money, that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay. Spend a bag, get a bag, that's a routine. I go north, cross the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams, still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boot dreams. And look, we made it. Still do more numbers than the ones who got famous. Hear what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.
That's good.
What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
No, we're not in a trade yet, Stanley.
All in all, I can't just get enough. I not Shaq West, but I'm getting really rich. Not your favorite rapper, but I'm really making hits. Soundtrack the world, got 'em asking who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. I cannot be dressing up a mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know.
Oh,
What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the track, man, get it back, man. In the fast lane, with my feet up. Remember bad days, when no cash came. Check the bag, man, see the re-up. Never bought me, always fresh, had to get it off the reps. Now I'm on a trip with my little ones. Keep it coming, we the best, I can never look a mess. I impressed and I watch the paper still come. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play, we on the way. Like right now, on the come up, got my funds up, on the 1-1. I believe that, from my loved ones, and my son's son. I go dumb, you don't see that. Put in hours like the rest, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I know I never fold when it slows down. Had to get it on my chest, I don't hit the disrespect, do it for the one who knows how it goes down. We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play. Like right now.
Well, last buys, US30 sells. Same 100 pips. Now we switch to NAS. Pip stop was
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? Just been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh. And I'm singing like, whoa. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. True vets. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. No.
Got a couple Cardis, we don't flow with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? Just been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. It's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted, fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun.
I'm in buys, guys. I am in buys on NAS. I don't even think there's gonna be anything. I've not taken NAS on that account before.
I keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again.
That can't be right.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless?
Well, how many pips is 50 ticks? How many ticks is 50 pips? On NAS.
On NAS?
5,000 on Forex. 5,000.
No. No. I'm talking about futures.
So 50 ticks, right?
No, 50 pips. How many ticks is that on NAS on futures?
Oh, 50 pips. 200.
That's 200 ticks?
Yeah, 200 ticks.
What?
Every pip has 4 ticks.
Oh, okay, I see. And then 100 will be 400 ticks.
Yeah.
Hey, I just came back. We got tapped in, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That's what it should be. What the hell is... Well, wait a minute. That's weird. Wow, so it's 5,000 on this broker too.
Motivation to use only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you push a 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state. Make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see them in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out. See me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate. This is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see them in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out. See me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, gotta sniff out the top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see them in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the
What the hell?
and the last out. See me coming.
How did they fly fucking get in here? Bro, am I saying something else? You just entered NAS 100. Okay. Yeah, gold is now pulling back, so I already took NAS.
US30 can give entry.
Oh snap! Well, I already took NAS. Come on, Nas. You know you're always my baby. My trading baby. Yep. I have more than I have at least 2 wives when it comes to trading.
There we go.
Gold and NAS. US30 is pretty much the side chick. But she's a good side chick too.
Is the mother-in-law.
Whoa.
NES is more young. It's with full of tech, and US30 is with old company inside.
US30 old reliable. NAS new hotness.
Let's go. I think Wallet's in from here somewhere.
I actually did take a buy really low down, but it got stopped out. It pulled back and took it out at break even.
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
But it took it again.
Yep.
Not
Okay,
nice
then I'm not
till
sorry.
20 pips TP. Nice.
This look weak. So let's hope at least still here.
Yep, that's what I'm hoping for. Oh, anticipating.
Yeah.
With the NYSE volume this low, pretty much should end up breaking its own high. It looks like night time over here outside. Looks like it's gonna rain bad. It looks like US30 wants to fall. And gold, like New York session Friday was trash. Well, it did move a little bit. If it breaks the high, it's gone. Yeah. Probably need to include NAS 100 in the live stream titles because I only have gold and US30 on there.
Oh yeah, lots of people like Nas, so they'll definitely bring in more eyes.
You're welcome. Would you go? Oh, you out of it? You out of the trade?
Man, I got Top Step TV running in the back, and I'm listening to them talk. And apparently, some guy made $100,000 on the live account on Friday, and he's called anonymous because I guess he doesn't want his name to be known. But he's got a 13% winning rate.
What?
13% winning rate.
Wait a minute. How is that even possible? Wait.
Well,
wait,
he
made
fucking loses.
he made 100K off of one trade. But it can be profitable with a 13% win rate. Oh, easy.
Jeez, I have no idea. Because they said that his last win was like in October and it was for $30,000 and he lost all of that profit.
He got a payout, or what did he say? Or he made 30,000.
Yeah, that was his last winning day, was in October for $30,000. And then he lost all that profit back, and now he made $100,000 on Friday.
What the? I don't know.
So he's basically like, I have to hit the home run or I lose.
Oh, he's a gambler.
Yeah, probably. I would like to see if he's like, net profitable.
Yeah, based on what you just said, he's a gambler. He's got a gambler mentality.
Yes, definitely. It's like 13%. That's fucking low as shit.
Who is this one?
I don't know his name. They called him anonymous, so that guy doesn't want to be named.
Yeah, I know. With 30% winning rate, I will call myself anonymous too.
Not 30. He said 13.
13?
Yeah, 1 3.
Yes, 13.
My God. Of course, he's anonymous.
Oh, wait a minute. He got a live account with a 13% win rate. I'm still trying to figure out how that is freaking possible.
You can do it with
Yeah.
1 to 10s, 1 to 20s. I saw on YouTube a guy, also a guru, that he have all his he use 1 pip stop loss
Yeah,
in
but
Euro
if
USD. Yeah.
But even if you use 1 to 10 risk to reward, I'm
1
sure
to 35 I saw.
1 to 10. But let's just say 1 to 10. I'm sure there is a lot. You have more. That trade will hit stop loss more often than it would actually hit TP.
Yeah, of course. 8 months will be stop loss, 1 month break even, and 1 month winning.
Man, I can only imagine how much is spent on challenges.
But you need to have a strong mentality to lose so much more.
He might as well do that with his own money, like on a live account.
Yeah, with low risk, you can lose 10, 20 trades and win 1, and you'll be break even, or you will be in profit if you use 1 to 20, 1 to 30. And Euro USD, you can use 1 pip stop loss. And
But I
with
wonder,
35
like,
pips,
how...
Wait a minute. A swing trader racked up $100 million with a... Are you saying negative 25 to negative 30%? Because, that could... Or you're saying with 25 to 30% win rate?
Come on, Nevs. Fucking get it.
30% win rate, yeah, that is possible. 30% win rate, if your risk reward pretty much has to be 1 to 3. But if you want your win rate to be that lower, you might as well do 1 to 5 every single trade, 1 to 5. So you get the 30% win rate, you'll still be profitable. All right, spam W's in the chat, guys. Beautiful trade. You can now move your stops to break even, and I'll appreciate it if you guys can get this stream to 100 likes. Let's spam W's in the chat. Not a bad 50 pips. What the hell? It didn't hit it on this account yet? Are you kidding me? Oh, entry was up a little bit. Come on, hit it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's get it moving. Okay. Enough. Good job, everyone that took that trade.
Yeah. Nice Monday. Let's go to one.
See?
One account I will close full
Where-
at 50%, and another account
Where-
I'll go with.
Where's Faye and Q Debate? They were saying, no, what am I doing looking at Nas? Why am I looking at Nas? And that includes you too, wow.
That was one win, Abe. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're still going. Okay. All right.
Don't be sorry for today, man.
Start recording.
This will be the beginning of the winning streak. Christmas is here, so we need money for presents. Yahoo!
Oh, snap. Let's go, Nas. Come on, Nas, let's go. Let's do this.
Do it for Tyson.
Oh, no, because Tyson lost. Do it for Jake
Do it for
Paul.
Lucy. You said do it for Tyson.
Can we get 7 more likes? We still don't have 100. Ah,
Nice one, King. Nice one. Yeah.
okay.
Come on. We so close. Just push.
Come on, guys. 5 more likes. 5 more likes is missing. We have at least 140 people watching on YouTube.
And I will make 5 YouTube accounts fake and give the man the likes. Come on!
Man, where the hell is Edwin?
Is he not here?
Damn, don't tell me he's not here.
Man, I'm telling. Oh, okay. Edwin, I was gonna come find you. Man, I was coming for you, man.
You take a quick flight to Indonesia?
Yeah, I'll be there knocking on his door. Like, wake the fuck up.
Here we go. Send it. Send it, Naz.
On some brokers, this is 10,000. No, it can't be 10,000 points. Yeah, I guess 10,000 points. Nah. 100 pips multiplied by 10. 100 multiplied by 10, that's 1,000, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know why some Forex brokers is freaking 10,000. Oh, smashed.
Got him.
Let's go.
There we go. There we go.
Did it close on this account yet? Man, it better have closed. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Oh, I keep forgetting that. Oh, I keep forgetting that the entry was late. Come on, come on. Account.
Let's go,
good.
King.
Alpha Capital, good. Let's see those W's, guys. Is this at 100 likes yet? Nice. I appreciate you guys for the likes. Come on, give me back to 250 on this account. 251 at least. Come on. There we go.
And look at US30, man.
All right, and we back up on this account.
Oh.
What the?
Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Look at
Oh,
US30.
yeah.
All you
Oh man, pain.
all you US30 fans, you see?
Yeah, but she give in this. But she give.
I love
But
you,
she give
Nas.
first the first lower high.
Mm-hmm. The moment
This was the next level trade, yeah.
The moment I saw that, okay, we created this low here, and the fact that we do not have pretty much, so this supply here is not valid. Now this one right here or this one right here, these two are the valid supplies. So the moment I saw that, I was like, okay, interesting. And then what made me change to buys was, of course, when we started the stream, what I explained earlier, which is the fact that we created this low, which became the previous daily low, and then we created this high. I remember this low has not been taken out. And when we talk about trading outside the range, you really need 2312 to close, to break. Once it breaks, you know that, okay, for sure, we are back bearish because we broke another low to the downside. Now, when we created this high, I said, okay, this high right here could end up being a high that needs to be taken out for us to have a bullish continuation, because this high could just, this low could pretty much just create a higher low here, because we really do not have nothing to the left like a BOS, major BOS right here to the left. We do not, except for this minor resistance here. So you have that minor BOS there, high created. So the moment I saw this, I'm like, okay, and we pushed up, we started rejecting this. I'm like, nah, I need to see how we are going to react at this demand. If we had closed below it, then my analysis was wrong, which means I would have been waiting for price to close below this low at that point. So that was the reason why I took the bias. All right, YouTube, all my links is down below in the description, whether you want to trade Asian and London session with us privately, our weekly webinars, pretty much join the mentorship community. The link is down below in the description. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is Tuesday. I think we have news tomorrow though. NY session. Oh, we only have CAD news. It is their CP high. It could have an effect on gold, maybe just a tiny little bit effect on gold, or it might affect gold big time. But I don't see that happening. It's just the Canadian dollar, like. So we'll see what happens there. I'm not expecting anything crazy to happen. So, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. I'm out of here. Peace.
Thanks, Abe. See you
You're
later.
You're welcome, guys.
Thanks, Abe.
Welcome, guys.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could've been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you all. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me, no. See, it's hard to be polite, it's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining, yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate.
Stop all the hate right now.
Yeah, let's keep it real, it'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah, so be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel that disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no.